How to tell the key of a Hohner Melodion. This is a 4-stop, 10-button Hohner Melodion, and this is in the key of C. How I tell the key is I choose the third button, 1, 2, 3, and press this while pushing the bellows in. This will give me the note C. Pressing the same button while pulling the bellows out gives me the note D. Again, when pressing the bellows in and pushing the third button, I get the note C, which is the key of the instrument. This is a 3-stop Hohner Melodion, 10 buttons, and this is in the key of D. So the third button, when pushing the bellows in and pressing this button, I will get the note D. When I pull the bellows out, pressing the same third button, I will get the note E. And again, playing the third button, when pushing the bellows in, I get the note D, which is the key of the instrument.